Guys, so tonight I don't have any dressing for my salads. See, I got my salads right here. And I thought, why not try this? So it's just a little applesauce. Opened up a little package there. And I'm going to add this apple cider vinegar and see what it tastes like. So let's try it. Let's start with, how about that? 2 tablespoons of applesauce. And we'll shake this up real good because this has the mother in it. Okay, I'm going to try to get this poured in here properly. Let's see if I can do this. This is about a tablespoon, I guess. Ooh, you get the picture, about a tablespoon. And let's see, I'll just start with this because that's what's handy. And then I'll give it a taste and see if it tastes good to me. Ooh, no, it needs more applesauce. That's really sour. I might end up using that whole cup. Ooh, that's strong. Let's try that. Not quite yet. I know what I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add some water. I have some water here. And we'll just go ahead and add a tablespoon or something of water to break down the vinegar. Ooh, that's strong. Apple cider vinegar is definitely good for you, but let's do another one. Sometimes you need a little something in there to break that down. Ooh. I bet you this will taste good. So it's still strong. I'm going to add the rest of this applesauce, and I may even add some sweetener, like maybe some date syrup. Ooh. Oh, I know what. Maybe I was going to say maple syrup, but I don't know. Because the applesauce is unsweetened, it has a tang to it. Ooh. Okay, so I changed my mind. I think I'm going to go with this. Wild blueberry syrup. That came out of Maine. And we'll try that in there. See if that doesn't spice it up a little. You guys ever try to do this when making something new? It's a lot of fun. Just start playing and mixing and seeing what tastes good to you. This is how a lot of my recipes are formed. This will be like a berry dressing. Let's see. That's getting somewhere now. A little bit more. Ooh. It still has a little tang to it, even though this does have sugar and pectin in it. But it's the wild Maine blueberries. Woo! So fun. Okay. That's it. That's a good sauce. Good a good dressing. Now I think I'll add just a little splash more water to thin it down a little more. Boy, I'll have to write this down. So I would suggest, if you're making this for, you know, somebody other than yourself, like if you're having guests over, don't do what I'm doing, double dipping on the spoon there. But since this is just for me, that's good. That's pretty good. So you got a little spiciness, or the kick from the apple cider vinegar, and then you got the little sweetness from the syrup. And the applesauce, well, that's unsweetened. And then the water breaks it down better, makes it a little more thinner. And that's how things are created. Trial and error. So I thought I'd share this with you and see if you like something like this, where I'm just making something up on the spot. And there you have it, guys. That's a blueberry salad dressing. Yum. Why did the man hit his hand with a hammer? He wanted to see something swell.